Papa, Papa made it. Papa need to made it for me.
No, that's okay. That's a part of the deal.
Please.
When we do things as a gift, Tia Karina would love for you to do it.
Too many for this.
No, no worries. Look, this is no, mira. Ahora, silver.
Mira, Alberto. Look to mamá.
Mira, ahora silver. This should be easier.
Good job, buddy.
Now you just do it.
Now, blue.
Yellow.
Oh, yellow? Okay, and then yellow again. Saca tus piernas maravillosas.
Now you just do.
Oh, green? Okay.
Yes, orange green.
Vale. Whatever you want is what you're gonna do. Remember, this is for Tia Karina, okay?
Okay, we made it for Colina. It's called Colina, and I'm gonna.
Well, we first need to make it, and then we can call her. Now, do you want to do silver again, just like Mama?
Let's do it. Mom, what to go?
Yay! She did it again.
Mama.
Alberta. You want everybody to do clap? Okay, now which color?
Green.
Green? All right.
A wolf and 1 2 cents.
Nice. I love anything you choose. Wow, that was fast. How about we choose another color now to make it more fun? Yeah, to make it colorful.
Make all the greens. Colina.
I'm sure Karina's gonna love silver too.
Yeah.
Let's put some silver. Karina loves silver and gold, just like Mommy.
Fine.
Yeah, put it.
That's why I can push that green.
Mm-hmm.
One last. And put it.
Puppy. Well done. How about some pink? Oh, Karina loves pink. Oh, you? Okay. Otherwise, we're gonna have a lot of green. Nini, don't do that. That's recycle. The mulberry bush. No, that's not for you to taste.
Ew.
How about if we add more silver?
Okay, sure. Oh no. That's
Oopsie.
going to up.
Mm-hmm.
Turn the pages to explore.
No. That's okay.
We'll pick it up. Pick it up later.
No. That's good because I could break them.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to add, what color do you want to add now?
Where's the whites? The Colina was bracelets.
Mm-hmm. Karina loves bracelets. And you know who loves bracelets too?
Colina.
Tia Stephanie.
Oh, yeah.
Stephanie, I love Stephanie. It's my favorite.
Okay, now why don't we add, what other color do you want to add?
Yes.
Oh, silver again? Okay. Alberto, but you're not following the pattern Mommy did.
Mama, wait for me.
Of course I'm gonna wait for you, Baba. No, se van todas. Venga. We'll use this looking good.
Good. Good.
Straw.
Well, for that screen.
No, the other way. Like this. Mm-hmm.
Hace con tanto cuidadito.
She's good.
Mm-hmm. They painted.
Good job, Danny.
Yay!
That's so cool, dude. We're gonna change colors? Nice.
That's very nice. That's a great pattern, Alberto. You're such an artist. Really
This is
good.
couture.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's handmade. It's upcycle. We're helping Mother Earth.
Mm-hmm.
We found the woods.
So beautiful. Papi, could you please put some music?
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah?
Mm.
Okay, Papa will put yeah, yeah for you.
Okay, yeah. What's Papa doing?
Papa is going for
For biscuit.
a device. For...
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Mm-hmm.
not yeah. That's Papa's phone. No, that's Papa's phone.
Okay, finish putting everything on its place.
¿Qué queremos escuchar, mamá?
Yeah, yeah, she's asking for yeah, yeah.
Okay, but no,
Nani.
you don't get to hold the phone.
Put the sticks. There are 2 more. Hop,
Oh yeah.
hop. Look, the DJ. She gotta do something.
You on the skateboard.
There. How about these, Nini? Look, there's a hole here for pom-poms. For pom-poms. For pom-poms. Want to put some silver? I have a lot of yellow now. And perhaps some pink, since you already have it here. Oh, Nini!
Yeah, hijo,
You have one pink.
put some
You have a
big
lot of
ones.
pink.
Yeah.
Whatever he wants, just
Right here, so you have some options. You also have this one. Look.
no mix it.
No. That's the wicked about the way then.
Let's put another silver, so we break with the grains. Oh, okay. Well. Okay. It's que the greens are too big, so it's gonna be on top of the pink. It's gonna, yeah, Alberto, we're gonna hide the pink. Mira, mi amor, ¿ves? The pink, you don't see the pink. That's why you have to put. Can you please put one of these? You gotta take the greens, and then you put them. Put the silver, otherwise the pink disappears. Papa, can you help Alberto?
Come on, buddy.
No, he dropped some. Around you. Oh, if you're gonna put the pink, hold on, no, you gotta put silver, buddy. Otherwise, it disappears. Because the pink is too little. Now, I think that should be para el tobillo, porque está siendo muy larga. The DJ. Put some music. I think that's pretty long, Alberto. Yeah, better, right? Hey, what's up? What's up? No, you gotta put some silver, buddy, otherwise it disappears.
Okay, one more.
For what? Look at this. Look at this pink. Inside. You're welcome, mi amor. She's happy with that. Oh, you want to do it yourself? Yeah, I think you're a better DJ. Why don't you put these now?
No, wait!
Oh, you want to put two? Okay. These ones? No, look. We're gonna do now the pom-poms. Mira. Let's take everything out. Es que no podemos hacer eso, mi amor, porque te los puedes comer. When you grow up, we do jewelry also, okay? This jewelry is very little. Look. Wow, Alberto, it's so beautiful.
So beautiful, Mama.
Beautiful.
Like this.
Now we need to leave a space, one more, and that's it, because we need to leave a space for the closing. Okay, this one for... Oh, let's put something in the middle.
Ma.
Invisible! Pooh!
No, me.
Don't jump in.
Good.